In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Instagram media to Google Drive automatically using Zapier. It's a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and keep your content organized. We're going to walk through this process step by step, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your apps and automates workflows, which is exactly what we need for this integration between Instagram and Google Drive. Once you're on the homepage, look around and find the Create button. Clicking it will allow you to start a new Zap, which is what Zapier calls each automated task. After clicking Create, you'll see a few options, but what we're interested in is setting up a new Zap. So go ahead and click on Zaps. This is where you'll customize the triggers and actions for this particular task. In the search bar that appears, type in Copilot Connect Google Drive and Instagram. There are a lot of different apps you can connect using Zapier, but typing this in will bring up the exact integration we need. Once you've found it, you'll want to click Add All Steps to Zap. This action is going to lay the groundwork for our automation. Following that, you'll be prompted to select a trigger event. The trigger event is essentially what kicks off this whole process and tells Zapier to start moving your media from Instagram to Google Drive. With this integration, every time you make a specified change or upload something to Instagram, it will trigger an upload to your Google Drive. You'll need to sign into your Google Drive account next. Providing access ensures Zapier can manage your files in Google Drive as part of this process, so go through the prompts and once you're all logged in and sorted, click Configure. After configuring, you should give the whole setup a test run by clicking the Test button. This confirms that everything is connected correctly on the Google Drive side of things. Now turn your focus to Instagram. You'll want to select Instagram for Business as you set up this connection. If you haven't already, make sure you're signed in to your Instagram business account, providing the necessary permissions so Zapier can access your media. Again, click Configure to fine-tune how the integration works, then run a test to ensure that Zapier can grab media from your Instagram account. Finally, once you have both sides of your integration set up and tested, you'll hit Publish. Publishing your Zap will make it live and start the automatic uploads from Instagram to your Google Drive account. And there you have it. You've now created an automated workflow that saves you from manually transferring files, freeing up your time to focus on creating more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.